Okay, here are the remaining final project, mastermind game demos of the mobile app computing class for winter semester 2026.
Okay, this is Kelsey, Mrs. Weil. Or Kesey.
You said Mrs. Walker?
Miss Weil. I'm not married. Let's see. It's probably this one.
It should be in your folder, bells and whistles.
All right. Let's see what she does. Could I see someone bells and whistles sheet so I can make sure I say all the ones that I did? Thanks. Okay, here's my launch screen. It doesn't take up the whole, like, I feel like I still could figure that out, how to get it to take up the whole. I don't know why it doesn't do that, but yeah, this is my home screen. I designed it to kind of like be similar to my launch screen. And then we got our little settings button. And yeah, so if we hit play, this is just the basic mastermind game. It's got all that animation that I showed you guys, where it fades in, and then if you hit the enter button too early, it'll give that row a little shake. Those feedback beats are all good. Yeah, and so then let's show the play again button. Let's see what the red, green, green, purple. So if you get it right, this little message will come up. It does, I know you commented about that, Dr. England, that it like shifts down a little bit. It kind of like was on the back burner, so I haven't looked at that yet, but I'd like to try to figure out why it does that and if I can fix it. But yeah, you can hit C board to re-look back at your screen. It also, then the secret code goes away when you hit board, so I want to try to fix that too. But then if you hit enter again, you can't play again, and everything resets. And yeah, just that normal mastermind game. Okay, and then my different color schemes. Pastel is definitely my favorite. I just think it's so pretty. And this one caused me, for sure, the biggest headache. Oh, it looks so white up there. The background's a light blue, but it looks really white up on the big screen. But everything matches the home screen and the settings and all that stuff. But it wasn't like when I would switch over to a different color scheme, the guesses that I'd already made were like stuck in the color that they were made in. And then I realized that the problem was that I forgot to make two of my like view model variables and my like guessed view structures observed objects. I was like, are we for real? But yeah, and then this is the neon version. So I changed the mastermind choose a color to white now because they're black in the other ones and you couldn't see them as well. Yeah, it keeps its mode when you go back to the home screen. And then I can show you, it doesn't really do anything different if you lose, but it's the same, like C board and play again button. I do like the neon a lot though too. I think the colors are kind of pretty. So you can see your board and see what you did wrong. Or you can, oh, well, probably need to fix that. I hadn't seen that before. Sorry, guys.
Ours
Yeah.
does that too, don't worry.
Okay. I think it's probably just an issue with what I make the row value equal to.
I think it's the projector.
Definitely the projector's fault. Yeah. So that's pretty much it.
Anybody have any questions?
Wait, can you go back to the home screen?
Yeah.
How did you get that, like brain?
It's on SF symbols.
Okay.
Here, I can show you.
That's cool.
Oh, it's already right there. Perfect. I think it's like, it's a really long name, actually. It's like head.brain.phil. Like, it's a really long name. But I think if you look up brain, it should come up. Yeah, here we go. Brain.phil.head.profile. I think this is the one I use, but then there's also those different ones too. Yeah. I thought it was cool, and it kind of matched my launch screen, and it's like my app icon too, which I made in Canva. Yeah.
How did you arrive at your eureka moment that you were missing some observed object?
Google.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Google AI. Well, I looked up like what could be wrong, or like because I knew that we had I know like we talked about it then later, and then I was thinking about it, and I was like theoretically it should change if the model changes, like the view should change. And so then I like was Googling it, like what could be wrong, and it was like talking about the observed objects and published variables.
Do you remember your Google search? I mean, that's actually the key there, is how did you search for that particular error? Do you remember what your
Yeah.
tracing was for it?
I'm not exactly sure. It's probably in my I don't know, but I think it was like it was probably something along the lines of like Swift UI like view not updating
Okay.
when model changes.
That makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello, this is Miss Kirkhope's final.
You can probably close some of those windows.
Okay. I'm gonna close yours, Kelsey. Okay. So this is my launch screen, and then this is my home screen, and then I have my music. Yeah. So I won't play it, but it gets repetitive. I've heard it a lot. And here's just like the directions or the instructions of how to play, and then you click start game, and here it's just, I did the animation that Kelsey demoed, and then I also looked up like how to get like a pulse animation, which you can see like on the hint button, and it's very faint on the enter. Can you guys see that? Can you see it glowing?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I could make it a little brighter, but so that sound means you didn't get any beads correct, and then if you get like some correct, I don't know if this will work. Yeah, I won't make a sound, so it knows that. And then here are my like sound effects. Oh, there's not any of that. We'll just see what happens when you lose. Oh, I have my colorblind mode, and I looked up if colorblind people can see the difference between these colors, and Google said yes, so I didn't change those. So hopefully they can still play. Oh, I need to click enter. Oh, I also had this hint button, and it just, once you click on it, it just gives you one color or shape that's in there, that's in the secret code. It doesn't say where or anything, and you only get one because I feel like the feedback beads are enough. If you need more, then I don't know. But when you lose, I still had a heart, so nobody feels sad, and then it gives you the secret code, and play again, and then, oh no, okay, well the hint is still there, so I'll have to fix that. I forgot to update that. But when you win 2201, oh wait, this is hey, And then, yeah, the music stuff's still there. So then you can go back here. And yeah, so I'll just have to fix the hint. That'll be like one line of code. But yeah, that's my app, everyone. It's my outro music. Okay.
Anybody have a question?
Oh, yeah. How do you get the hint to do the random, just chooses one of the four of them?
So I definitely looked that up. I just said how, I think I looked up Swift UI, how to get a random integer in an array. It was
Okay.
like, is random, and
Yeah.
I think it was an optional too. I had to have some like question marks.
Okay.
And then I had to unwrap. But AI, basically.
Any questions for anybody before I close off the video?
It's been lit, fam.
I'm sorry?
I said it's been lit, fam.
It has been lit, fam?
Like fam, like it's been, never mind.
You tried.
Yeah, I tried.
I can't hear. I'm seeing the doctor on reading day to see if he can clear out my ear. Going, the end.